Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of 3Dcity database. In this session, we are going to talk about the important exporter. Let's go. As we remember, in the previous session, we talked about the installation of different versions of 3Dcity database. But in this session, we are going to talk about the installation of important exporter. The first step is to download the jar file of important exporter. So simply open your browser and type 3Dcity database and go into the official website of 3Dcity database. You can see this page and then go into a downloads tab. As you can see, the third feature, just click it here, the important exporter, and you can find a different version of important exporter, and it is really related to a 3Dcity database. For example, if you have installed the version 4, so it is important that install the important exporter of version 4, and you just need to click on that and the downloading start. But I stopped here because I have downloaded here. But how can I install this jar file? So simply I open the CMD here and then say java-jar and the name of this file I can copy because it is too long for me, and then Ctrl V here and press enter. As you can see, the installation page is started. You can choose your language, English or German. For example, I want to use English and OK. So next, and you can accept the agreement license, and the next. I have already 3Dcity important exporter in this address, so I want to change it. So I choose this file, for example. I copy the address and then where is the installation page? I change it here and then next. And you can say yes. Don't forget, if you want to work with plugins, of course, check these two plugins. But if you forgot it, don't worry, we can add it later. But it is easy to check it if you want to work with plugin right now. So next, and installation is started. So next, and also you can check it to create a shortcut in the start menu and on your desktop, but it is a fake and it doesn't work. So press next and done. In a bin file, you can double click on a bat, but it doesn't work. Honestly, if you check the documentation of important exporter, it said that you can just double click on the bat and it will work, but it doesn't. So what should we do? We can use a CMD to work with this software, or actually bring up the graphical user interface. So I open CMD in this address, and then I want to run this jar file. I go into the lib and then come here, IMP.exp client. It has a lot of IMP.exp, but you have to just use it this one. And I copy the name and say Java jar, and the hyphen help, the address is not correct, of course. You have to add lib, because this file is in lib folder. So if I press enter, it works for us, and it gives you a lot of options that you can work it on a CMD, but it is a kind of difficult to work on a CMD. It is not very user-friendly, so you can run it the graphical user interface just by running the jar file. Yeah. The application is started, And you can find the different kind of tab here that we will discuss about all of them in the next videos. If you have any question about this installation, please comment below. If you like our video, give us thumbs up and don't forget to watch our next video. See you and bye bye.